In this video, we're going to be talking about the proper way to transplant seedlings. Okay, so you've watched your seed starting video and you have a nice healthy transplant ready to go into the ground. There's a few things that you need to take into consideration. To evaluate the roots of your transplant, very gently pop it out of the pot or the cell pack. This transplant could use a few more days growing inside of its cell. This is an example of a very healthy root system. We like to see bright white roots and vibrant root hairs. Sometimes you're not able to get your transplants in the ground and they can get a little bit bigger than you would like. Evaluate those root systems. This is a little bit root bound or shows too many roots in that cell pack. You can still put it in the ground. It still has a great chance of success. Another critical thing to do to ensure transplanting success is to harden off your transplants, which means they need to spend at least a couple few days outside getting used to wind and the temperature change. All right, when you're ready to plant, you want to make sure that you've removed all of the excess plant material in place, and then you want to sprinkle some fertilizer over where you're going to plant. Gently incorporate that fertilizer into the top 2 or 3 inches of the soil to get ready for transplanting. Dig a hole a little bit bigger than the size of the pot that the transplant is in. Gently remove the transplant from the pot, making sure to hold on to the root ball. Never hold on to the stem of the transplant, because if you damage that, you've just damaged the transplant itself. Place it in the hole at the same depth that it was growing inside the pot, and then gently firm the soil around your transplant. Give it a drink of water, and then it's all ready to go. Water your transplant once or twice a week depending on how much rainfall you get in order to make sure that it thrives. Transplanting is a valuable tool in the toolbox of any gardener and is a way that you can put partially mature plants in the ground in order to get closer to a harvest. Here are our transplants just a few weeks later. They are ready to be harvested and enjoyed.